just wrapped up the job here, and I wanted to give you some thoughts on this. This is the SKIL PWRCore 40. This is their 20-inch 40-volt lawnmower here, walk-behind mower. This is not the self-propelled. There is a self-propelled unit also, but this is just the manual push one. And I just finished mowing kind of my test spot here that I used with battery-powered mowers. The area that I was able to mow with this is actually a little bit more than some of the bigger battery units. This particular one comes with 40-volt, 5-amp-hour battery. I've got some other units that have got a 6 or 7.5-amp-hour battery, and this was able to mow just a little bit more territory. Basically, I mowed everything from behind me all the way across, and there's my pup over there. Really gave me a nice, there's a lot of runtime on this battery. This is a brushless motor in this, so it is going to be able to last a long time. You see brushless right there. Let me take you around a little bit here. First off, you've got to start it, you've got your push button, the operator presence handle. You push one and hold the other, and off you go. I like the adjustments here. Right here, we have 3 different handle heights, so we can be for a shorter statured person, and then of course I'm about a 6-foot person. And I like this handle capability. You can pull this out, and it will stay. So then I can adjust it. Oh, that's so much nicer than some of the other systems where it doesn't do that. It's a single height adjustment right there. It can go from 1.5 inches up to 4 inches. I have it just as low as I can go here because I kind of like to do mowing the front in front of the house at a lower height for these demonstrations. Again, I was using mulching. To go to bagging, all it would be is to pick that up. There's a little chute in there, pull that out, put the bagger in, and we're going to go through this more in depth in a different video. I wanted to really, again, give you the idea of what it could do coming from over on the side here, mowing completely across. This is probably mowing an area that's probably about 150 by 100 by 150, maybe a little bit more than that. So it's a really quite a nice area. For storage, we would take those 2 handles, flip those down. We can pop our little clips down on the side. The handle will go down, folds up and folds over, and it can store on end right there for really minimal storage in the garage. So it's really kind of a neat idea for those who want to be able to go mow a nice area, because that's a pretty good size. This spot that I mowed is bigger than most people's city lots. So one battery can go a long way. Push is very easy. The tires are just a little bit larger on the back. Was a nice easy walk around with that today. So I was really pretty impressed overall. Plastic body, so it's a lightweight unit. It has handles. There's no battery in it, but there's a handle right here and right here, so a person can grab it and go and move it if you want to. Yeah, just a kind of a winning little unit here from SKIL. We'll put a link in the description below so you can go check it out. And we'll be doing more videos where we'll take it in the shop there, show you the battery, show you everything, because I put the battery on the charger so I can be ready to go and hit the next part of the lawn here in just a little bit. This is John Young. Thank you for watching.